go. Here's my friend. Adam, John Paul, wait. Miriam, Edmar, Johnny ko,
Yung
and James,
because we're only
and also me.
You can speak English. Don't speak English.
Why are you speaking English? If you don't answer.
No, just... Come on, let's sit.
It's Raymond. There.
Let's sit.
A handsome boy. How about Edmar?
Sir Jonas.
Eraserhead.
Come here, let's sit. Answer, let's sit.
No thanks, I'm full. Do you understand, Edmar?
No.
Speaking Kapampangan is not allowed.
Why?
Damo?
We're only at Pampanga. We're not at Baguio. Give me 10 reasons.
10 reasons. Here's your 10 reasons.
That will pick up
I'll
my
draw
mind.
it. Hindi naman to. Yan yung pickle-minded. Joke. Bye-bye. Edmar, ay. Pali na, Imal!
Maratan na ibang basahin. Perfect. Hindi para mabasahin.
Siyempre, kailangan ko siya.
Diyan kami dito. Kumari lang. Maratan ka ako sa loob na yan.
Happy ko yan? Yeah. Sa video.
Ito pare katambaya ko. Parang.
Oh. Oh, laki ng katawan ni John Paul, oh. Eh, jeans din, oh. Laki ng katawan niya. May kanan.
Ayan. Layo, kanan.
Mga adik ng pagirwan.
Di naman. Pare, nasan natin. Siguro. Nagbabaw namin mga DJ. Nagbayo na kami.
Kaya ka nila tawag mo.
Sige. Basta banatang kayo.
O, sige. Wala ka. Ay.
Gerald, Kenny.
Gerald, come here. I'll get you a picture. Come here.
Parang mo.
Gerald. Unyag nyo. Don't be KJ. What, Miriam? Did you say something? Mago ka. I would like to thank my sponsor. Oh, it's Lira the second.
My name is Rocky. Natin sa YouTube.
Oy, dapat kasama ako. I-video nyo. Kunyari na kaya.
This is my beautiful friend. Came from Baguio. A tourism student of University of Cordillera. Food me po, tang focus mo na food. Ano pare mo?
Hindi siya marunong lumangoy.
Open. Alam mo, may ako na ka rin?
Ako. Wow, it's yummy. What's that? Uy, lalayo yan ah. Oh, video.
Video mo